Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals, Wheelchair Vehicle Specialists. This is a Toyota Porte, the disability vehicle with an OEM, that is original equipment manufactured passenger seat, which is also an electric wheelchair. This allows the wheelchair passenger to travel in the front beside the driver. By pressing just one button, the wheelchair turns 90 degrees out. The wheels unfold, the chair lowers the passenger down to the ground. To load the wheelchair back into the car, you will just need to place the wheelchair on top of the platform. Press one button and wait for the seat to lift, the wheels to raise, and the chair to turn and rotate back into the car. The batteries for the wheelchair are at the back of the chair and can run a distance of 4 kilometres. The batteries are charged by an external charger which you can leave in the home. Please visit icsar.com.au or call 029981 1884.